there, this is Joe Baird of Joe's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I am going to show you how to do the Viola flower. As you can see, we have 8 petals here, and I'm going to show you how to make these petals of the Viola flower. So I use worsted weight yarn, and for this tutorial I'm going to use an H hook. So what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and make our slip knot, and then we're going to chain 2. Okay, so now we are going to make 8 single crochet in that chain 1 space of the chain 2 that we just made. Okay, so we're going to do 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and as we go around, I like to tuck my string here underneath the single crochets that we're doing. Okay, so we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have our 8 single crochet here, and as you can see, we have a circle. Okay, just like in our Viola flower, we have that circle there. So what we're going to do is we are going to slip stitch in that first single crochet that we made. Okay, there we are, slip stitching. And next what we're going to do is we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to place 5 double crochet in that first stitch that we just slip stitched in. Okay, so we're going to make 5 double crochet. I'll go slow here. So what you do is you yarn over, insert your hook into that first single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's our double crochet. I'll show you one more. So yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Okay, so we're going to make our total 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's our 5 double crochet in that same stitch. So now what we're going to do, okay, this is your right side because your stitches are going all the same way. So this is your right side. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our work and we're going to flip it over, and this is the wrong side. So what we're going to do is we are going to find our first double crochet there, and we are going to slip stitch in that first double crochet. Okay, so we're gonna, we are gonna slip stitch, and then what we're gonna do, we got our slip stitch, and we're gonna chain 2. Okay, then we're gonna turn our work on the right side, and we're gonna pull that tight so we get the end of the flower petal here. So we get that right there. Okay, so I'll show you again what we do. Okay, you're gonna do 5 more double crochet in that next stitch. Okay, so we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have three loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so we're going to make our total of 5 double crochet. Just 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so again, we are on our right side here. So what we're going to do, we are going to turn to our wrong side, and we're going to do the same thing that we just did. We're going to slip stitch in that first double crochet right there. Insert your hook, wrap it around, pull through, and then pull through. And then you want to pull tight, and then you chain 2. Okay, so there you have your second petal of your Viola stitch. Okay, I'll show you one more time. So we're going to 5 double crochet in that next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so we're going to do a total of 5. So there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we are in the right side here. We're going to turn to the wrong side. You're going to find that first double crochet of your 5 group here. You're going to slip stitch in that first one, in their first double crochet. Okay, and you're going to pull it tight to get your petal, and then you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to continue around just doing your 5 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, so when you come to the end of your Viola flower, you are going to have 8 petals. Okay, so I will be back and I will show you how we're going to finish off our Viola flower. Okay, we are going to go ahead and finish our Viola flower. As you can see, I have one more single crochet that we are going to put our 8th petal in. So we have our chain 2 space. So again, we're going to place 5 double crochet in that last single crochet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So again, this is going to be your right side of your flower. So we're going to turn our work to bring up the wrong side, and we're going to slip stitch in that first double crochet of our 5 double crochet group. Okay, so you slip stitch and you want to pull that tight so you get the top point of your flower. Okay, we're going to chain 2. Okay, and we're going to turn our work. And then what you're going to do, instead of slip stitching into the flower, we're going to go behind the flower and slip stitch in that first chain 2 space. Okay, so we're going to go behind the flower and slip stitch in that first chain 2 space. Maybe. Okay, and there we are. We have our 8 petals of our Viola flower. Okay, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my video tutorial, like or dislike this video. Be sure to subscribe. That way when I release another video tutorial, you'll be notified. Again, you can check me out at www.joescraftyhook.com, and there you'll find all my social media sites, free patterns on my websites, blog hops, and more things. So again, this is Jo Baird of Joe's Crafty Hook. I look forward to seeing you next time.